Peer Review Week is all about recognising and celebrating the contribution of peer reviewers to the academic publishing process. This year, Communications Biology decided to reach out to some of our very best peer reviewers and ask them what they think of the peer review process, the value of peer review to academic publishing, and how they like to be recognised for their contributions. Let's find out what they had to say. Peer review is important to maintain integrity of scientific publications within the scientific community, and also to help build trust with the general public that scientific discoveries are valid. Failures in this process can lead to wasted resources when independent labs are unable to replicate findings, and also public distrust when there's negative media around high-profile publications.
As a reviewer, I think that peer review generally helps to improve manuscripts, both in terms of data quality and robustness, but also in the way the actual paper is written and the data are presented. So as reviewer, we offer our expertise to judge how data are collected and analysed. Therefore, we can easily spot little issues such as not adequate numerosity of repeats, or the need of a different statistical analysis, or sometimes additional experiments that might be done to strengthen the conclusions that are presented in the manuscript.
Well, I think the peer review process is already building trust. The way I witness it, it works really well, and it helps to improve the quality of science in general, but also in specific ways for specific manuscripts. However, I think we could do a better job if reviewers already had access to the primary data.
Whenever I agree to review a manuscript, I am prepared to be fully accountable to the authors and to the editors for my comments.
I think that the double-blind review system will help to build strong trust in the peer-reviewed decision-making process.
In my opinion, the peer review process will benefit by removing the anonymity of the reviewers, encouraging then the positive feedback, and reducing the purely negative and unconstructive feedback that we sometimes find in the review process.
I think it can be important to be recognized for your contributions as a peer reviewer, and this is especially important as a more junior academic at the level of student, postdoc or assistant professor, where you have not achieved tenure yet.
Some publishing companies nowadays offer a record of the reviewing process that reviewers participate to. I think this is a great idea because you can show your contribution. Journals and new generation should work more into this direction to make the peer reviewing activity very well recognized.
Thank you to everyone who got in touch with their comments about peer review. It was great to hear so many passionate opinions about the subject. We look forward to continuing providing the best service we can as a journal.